Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own pre-workout from just buying the stuff that you need at home for very, very cheap. So the things I like to use these first. Caffeine tablets. You can use a cup of coffee. You can buy guarana online too. It just works the same, it has caffeine in it. I use 200 milligrams, same as a cup of coffee. So that's what I like to use. It's easy just to put the pill in and get the effects. Some people say it's not as strong. Maybe you like coffee better. Use what you like. And then next I have this beta-alanine. This stuff's really helpful. This stuff is $12.95, 100 servings. So much more, like you get more for less. Use 1 scoop of this stuff in here, into the drink too. And then I have these, which I would not normally use, but I use them because of their inside. If you can see this, it has citrulline malate. That's what it's good for, citrulline malate. So I use these because they both have citrulline malate in them. So that really helps with the workout. If it can focus here. There you go. Citrulline malate 1:1, 1,000 milligrams. Just 1 gram. That's all you need. That is all you need. And if you don't have, you do not need to buy these two right here. You do not need them. You can just buy citrulline malate online. I'll show an example right now. We're on Amazon here. See, this is where I buy. See, this is the one I bought right here, beta-alanine. Beta-alanine. You have all these different options here. If you don't want this one, you could buy this. You can buy all these different options. I would suggest buying the cheaper ones, but that's just me. Citrulline malate here, guys. Look at all this. This one's a little bit more expensive right here, but look at this, 500 grams. Come on, guys. Like, this stuff is so much better. Like, you buy a pre-workout for 30 bucks, there's 30 servings. You get 500 grams in this one. That's more than you need. That'll last you a long time. And then next, like I said earlier, guarana right here. Guarana. This stuff has natural caffeine in it. That's a little bit more than 200 grams. But then there's like caffeine pills, guys. Lots of different options here. And then if you need like flavoring for your water, look at like on Walmart here. Crystal Light, this stuff's cheap. 0 calories. All these flavors. Look at all these flavors. A bunch of good flavors. Alright, and guys, so all this stuff right here, all this stuff is cheap, and all this stuff, you can choose your own amounts. Like if you're a beginner, like I kind of am a beginner. I haven't been working out for that long, guys. So like you could choose the amount. If you don't need 200 and whatever milligrams of caffeine, you could use less. Use a cup of coffee, use less. And this stuff, guys, 0 calorie. You can, if you don't want to use 1 gram, you can use less than 1 gram. You can work up to it. If you don't want to use 3 grams of this, you can use less. You can work up to it. This is good for, and you don't want to overdo it. So this is good for not overdoing it, keeping it simple, guys. You can buy all this stuff. You can buy this for cheap, citrulline malate for cheap, and this was 11 bucks at a CVS. You can buy it at Walmart. And then if you want flavoring, if you're not using coffee, you want flavoring, just buy like water, 0 calorie water flavoring. That's like, if I didn't have these, that's what I'd be using. So that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make your own pre-workout at home. Easy, cheap.